I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iPhone 12 runs the latest iOS, so eSIM support is current. Once done, power off, use the eject tool to remove the SIM tray and insert the physical nanoSIM. Make sure the SIM sits flush, then power the phone back on. Meanwhile, keep the carrier's eSIM QR code or activation details at hand. You're performing both hardware and software prep together, so the second line can be activated without losing service on the primary SIM. Next, go to Settings Cellular and tap Add Cellular Plan to scan the carrier QR or paste the activation code. Once the eSIM is installed, label each line so you can quickly choose for calls and messages. Then, set your default voice line and the number used for iMessage/FaceTime. Choose which line handles cellular data. Make sure Wi-Fi calling or roaming settings match each carrier's requirements, since those can affect call behavior and data usage between lines. Finally, test both numbers. Make a call on each line, send SMS, and check iMessage/FaceTime registration. Use Control Center to switch the cellular line quickly for data. If the eSIM won't activate, rescan the QR or ask the carrier to reissue the activation. Check APN and roaming settings if data fails. As a last resort, restart the iPhone or reset network settings. Only delete and re-add the eSIM after the carrier confirms the plan is ready to avoid losing activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.